Imagine an AI making life or death decisions. Sounds like science fiction, right? But with artificial intelligence advancing faster than ever, we're facing this reality today. Who decides what's right and what's wrong when a machine is in control? We're exploring the vital and sometimes terrifying question of where humanity draws the line before AI starts defining our ethics for us. Today, AI isn't just crunching numbers. It's making decisions that impact our lives in ways we often don't even see. We've all seen headlines where an AI's ethical blind spots became glaringly obvious. From who gets approved for a loan to how medical resources are allocated, AI's choices are driven by its programming, and these choices carry profound ethical weight. This isn't some distant future, it's happening right now. It forces us to ask a fundamental question: who should be programming the moral code of our machines? So how does an AI even learn ethics? Currently, it's mostly through analyzing massive datasets and a process called reinforcement learning. But there's a huge problem. If an AI learns its morals from us, from the data we've created, how perfect can that reflection be? Our history is filled with biases and mistakes. Is a machine capable of understanding human nuance, empathy, or intent? Or is it just a sophisticated pattern recognition engine mimicking our flaws on a global scale? When the mirror it holds up to us is distorted, the consequences could be catastrophic. This is where the human imperative comes in. We have centuries of philosophy and ethical debates to draw from, but how do we translate complex concepts like justice, fairness, and compassion into lines of code? The responsibility falls squarely on the shoulders of AI developers and policymakers to embed human-centric values into these systems from the very beginning, not as an afterthought. Think of it like an ethical firewall. There must be areas, like final judicial sentences or battlefield decisions, where human oversight is non-negotiable, where we retain the ultimate moral authority. We have to draw these lines in the sand now. Looking ahead, the questions get even more complex. What happens if AI develops something akin to consciousness or sentience? How does our current ethical framework adapt to such a profound shift? We can speculate about AI becoming independent moral agents, capable of making ethical decisions on their own. This could bring incredible benefits, but it also opens the door to immense existential risks. Can we ever truly trust an AI with complete ethical autonomy? This leads to the ultimate debate about control versus collaboration. Ultimately, the line for AI-generated ethics isn't static. It's a dynamic, ongoing conversation between our timeless human values and the relentless pace of technological advancement. This isn't a topic just for programmers and philosophers. It's a conversation for all of us. The future we're building is a shared one, and it's our collective responsibility to ensure that AI serves humanity's highest ideals. We must remain at the helm of our own moral destiny. Thanks for joining this important discussion. What are your thoughts on where we should draw the line? Let me know in the comments below. And if you find these topics as fascinating as I do, please like this video and subscribe for more content that explores our technological future.